What's up everyone, Phoenix here from Phoenix as well. Sorry about the background noise. Doing a little vlog today. We're going to be doing some performance at my school, drumming in the little Christmas concert. So it's 8:27 now. I don't need to be at school until 12:30. So we're going to go do a little bit of skateboarding and get some clips of that. And yeah, see you at the skate park. So, lately I've been a bit stuck for video ideas. Normally I just kind of upload stuff that I've been doing and occasionally make like the odd tutorial. Like my popular uploads are my fingerboard tutorials. So my channel's kind of become like a fingerboard tutorial channel, but like that's not really what I want it to be. So instead of making the videos lately like I've been doing before, I've been mostly working on making my own music, like on the computer. I've been working on learning to make beats and producing. I've been mostly skateboarding a lot because school's just finished. This is the last day of actual school. Finished my exams, got more time to make videos. So I thought I might as well move my kind of video style to things I'm more interested in now than stuff I was doing before, like fingerboarding. Because otherwise, my video style is just about stuff that I don't really enjoy doing, and there's no point doing it. That being said, let's go get some skate clips. Don't think I'm going to be here much longer as it looks like I'm going to get rained out. It's starting to get a bit wet. Oh yep, it's coming. Oh lord, I didn't bring a jacket or anything. Okay, I better take cover. Well, I think that might be the beginning and the end of my skate park adventures today, sadly. Well, still got the rest of the day to vlog. Since the park's wet, I'm going to try skate some of the remaining dry patches, like just here. There's this little ledge bit that looks skateable enough. Got him. Well, it seems to have gone from okay skating weather to rubbish rain. As you can see everywhere, it is just drizzly and grey. So, decided it'd be better just to get a bus. So, see you when I get a bus. Welcome to the band practice. Here's the band. Because we out here vlogging and stuff.
So many instruments I can have on my neck before my neck snaps.
What? Yo, okay, so here we got Daniel, the saxophonist and the bassist, yeah. Got the pianist and the Kate, we got the Bria and the singer. And we've got far too many drums here for me to use. Well, that concludes Pinehurst 2020 and the performance. I'm hoping I can leave the performance in the video, not remove it because of copyrights or anything. Now I'm going to bus home and it'll probably be the end of the video. Right, I'm back home now, which makes this the end of the vlog/video. Thank you for watching, please like, subscribe, and goodbye. Peace.